All right, good morning. Hey guys, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cram, my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, we're not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that. We're not a buy or sell channel, okay? We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. Okay, so if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you buy now, sell now, all of that good stuff, you're on the wrong stream. But of course, if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these markets the right way, and if you're looking to trade the profitable Forex strategy live, then guys, stick around because that's exactly what we're going to do. Guys, can you all do me a quick favor and let me know, is the stream schedule up, and um did the notification go off? Did the notification go off, guys? The reminder? Okay. All right. Surprising we have fewer people. Let me just ping people on the stream and let's get them to come. Okay. Give me a quick second. We're live. Okay. Cool. What's up, guys? I hope you all had a good weekend. London gave you all some banger moves today. I saw it, looked really good. Seems like London really did it today. Okay, cool. I'm going to start to share my screen with you guys now. I think people have gotten used to the fact that we don't trade Mondays. It's good to have Mondays off, right? Okay, so that's the dirty right now. That's Nasdaq. Solid sells that kicked in. Beautiful break of a nice double top over here. Broke past that demand that was sitting right here. Broke right down. Okay. Now we've got to see how price reacts on the RSI. Okay. We've got to see how price reacts around the 30. Usually traders, what they use the RSI for is to look for potential trend reversals. Okay. So a quick note to people that aren't on the one-on-ones. Consider yourselves, well, I'm in a good mood. Okay. So I'm here to share information with you guys. But naturally on the RSI, price likes to stay within the 70 and the 30. Okay, so every once in a while we go up there, and when we're above the 70, we're in overbought territory, and when we're below the 30, we're in oversold territory. Okay, so what traders look for is when we're overbought, they're looking for price to come back down into our 70 and 30, and which is the natural home for price, if I may. And if we're oversold, traders are usually looking for the retracement back into the 70 and the 30. Okay, but so far there is nothing of that sort happening. I am seeing a little bit of support being formed over here, so let's mark that up as our 5-minute support. Okay, and let's see how price reacts around this area. So what I personally would be looking for is, again, on news, if price wants to push up there, we have a nice little pop to the upside, and market open, I meant, sorry guys. And if the sells want to kick in here, this region would look nice, but keeping in mind that we do have some buyers that most likely are going to step in over here as well. Okay, and for the buys up here, this would be a quick scalp back up to the 4 hours. I'm not sure how many of you guys are comfortable doing that, but my one-on-ones, you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, buying into demand could be a possibility if we hold. Buying from demand, my bad. Okay, and then let's see if we want to maybe test out that supply, and if we want to break down further straight up, we're looking at this region right here. Okay, welcome people on YouTube. If it's your first time, welcome to Forex Trading. We're happy to have you. Okay, this is gold. Gold right now, again, the RSI does tell us that we could potentially be bearish, but if you have an itch to get in on the buys for market open, that's your buy. Okay, and the sell will be down in this region. Okay, now let's see if they want to have a little bit of a retest and maybe a continued push to the downside. Listen, if we start to break this level to make the retracement back to the upside, maybe start layering your positions from here. Okay, but you do want to break this structure in order to get in with any sort of positive buys that have confluences. Okay. Cool. Where's the chat at? Bro, could you explain this setup, please? What setup? Which one? Sound is breaking. Do you guys hear me clearly? Do you all hear me, guys? We do. Yes. Okay. It's probably your internet, buddy. Check it out. Okay. I'm going to set some alerts up. So let's have an alert there. Let's have an alert here. They're testing out potential entry. Let's see. Okay. That's a death cross on the EMAs as well. Let's pop the Scalper Pro out. Okay. US 30 starting to go oversold on, well, we're having our retracement back, so it's testing out the 30. But as you can see from the higher time frames, we're still ranging within that 50 region, so we're somewhere about here. Okay. Nasdaq, same story. Okay. Very, very similar. Gold has some potential. Okay. I like gold. And we don't need to look at GU and EU. Gold, the buys still look good, to be fair, guys. All right, the 5 minutes could be giving us um okay. Okay, for some reason the scalp up, there you go. Okay, the 5 minutes is testing out the 70 again, as you can see. All right, we are testing that out. Maybe it's giving us maybe, just maybe, false information right now, because that 4 hours, if it breaks the 50, we can really start to push to the upside. Okay, see what I mean? Right, so don't fall into the fake outs. Let price do its thing, and that's why I absolutely love the Scalper Pro. Shout out to Lenny. But yeah, Nasdaq setup. Well, there are two setups over here, right? The first one is price pushing back down on the bigger break of this structure. So there are basically two possibilities, right? Possibility number one, come down, break, retest, push. Possibility number two, pick back up, okay, break this level of resistance, which also acted up as your neckline for this beautiful double top over here. And then you could have a break, retest, rejection. Okay, so you're looking for this movement, and that's sort of where you want to be getting in with any positions if you do. Also, guys, listen, we're not financial advisors, okay? Any risks you take upon yourself. Don't be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time. Okay, I'm not in any trade so far. I'm gonna wait for market open to happen and maybe then see if an opportunity wants to present itself. But for now, I'm just watching, guys. I'm just watching, waiting, and seeing how this will play out. I traded London post session today as well, so I am pretty good for the day. London was good. I missed it. Still not in any trade. London was good. Yes, it was. Both on the session and post session. Hello, people on YouTube. Welcome to Forex Trading. We're scalpers. We scalp the 5 minute time frame, and we're price action traders. Okay, so if you're new here, if you've joined our stream for the first time, stick around, watch what we do. If you do like what we do, go ahead and click the link in our description. We have our Forex server on Discord. It's absolutely free. People think we're scamming people here for some reason, but the truth is, the goddamn sessions are free of cost. We have nothing to scam you guys for. But yeah, if you want to join, please join. We have a private Zoom call that's going on simultaneously as well. And we have a great community that we're building. We just like spreading value. All right. We like teaching you guys about these markets, and we trade these markets live for you guys every single trading day, twice every single trading day for London and New York market open. Okay. Now let's see if we want to get a little bit of a retest at the support and maybe continue to push up higher, and maybe we can test out the resistance that's going to come in over there. Okay. So what you'd be looking for is, you guys know it, down, reject, push back up, try to test out that area, potentially that area as well. Okay. Crime is in New York already open? Nobody. We've got 5 more minutes to the Wall Street open. Okay, is anyone in any trades, guys? People on Zoom? Anyone on any trades at all? Hi, Susie. What's up? Baha, no, just watching. None. Nope, nope. Okay, nope. It's still hard. Got it. I'm just watching too, guys. I'm just watching myself. Um, let's see how it plays out. Okay. XAU USD selling. Well, yeah, they're still just basically accumulating orders in this region. Um, we've got to see. All right, they could sell, they could buy, they could do whatever. But for me personally, and for the way we trade here at Forex Trading, um, we usually don't trade within this zone. We don't trade within the accumulation. So let's see. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Let's take a look at the indices. I'm personally not even in on the indices right now. I'm not. I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna wait for price to give me some definitive movement before I hop into anything. What do I mean by definitive movement? I mean maybe a break of this region or maybe a break of this region. Okay. All right. So no confirmation, no break of the impulse candle. Let's see. If you guys have just joined, don't worry, you're not missing anything. Okay. No trades have played out so far. We're just watching these markets. Okay, look at that. Now the sellers and their pressure could kick in. But again, for my one on ones, this is for you guys. Okay, check this out. Even though naturally you guys should know that our biggest supply is going to be down here, but I want you all to see that we're building some short term supply right here as well. Some short term demand, my bad, not supply. Please, YouTube, don't kill me. But we're building some short term demand over here as well. Okay, so what do I mean by demand? I mean, we're going to probably get some buyers to pick back up from this region. Okay. If not, we're looking to break. Okay. We're looking to break. We're looking to possibly retest, and we're looking to reject. Okay. Does the stream happen every day for free? Yes, it's been free for. Has it been a year, babe? I think we're inching towards a complete year of free streams for y'all. Um, but yeah, it's been free and it's still free. Cram, please go through US study setup again. Well, it's right here, buddy. It's right here in front of you, okay? Look for the continuation or look for the breakdown. Okay. I guess people are annotating on my screen again. Thank you for reminding me to disable it for you guys. Okay. Let's see, you guys. So we've got, excuse me, we've got market open in the next 40 seconds. I like gold right now because gold to me tells me that we could either sell or buy. There's nothing fixed, but gold to me does look the cleanest as of right now. Okay. Watch for this to break past as well. Let's see, you guys. Let's see what these markets want to do. If you don't feel comfortable getting in on the first candle, you don't need to wait for price to do its thing. You can always hop in on the second candle as well. Don't be stressing about it. Okay, guys? So market open in the next 15 seconds. Let's have a good one. And remember, do not go crazy. Okay? This is market open. Oh, wow. And my trader just fucked me up. Excuse me. Okay. It never lets me get in on trades for market open. I literally tried to get in on a feeler for this, but it didn't let me do it, which is fine. Okay, US 30 just dropped down, and we are potentially testing out our entry point for NASDAQ. Okay, I don't like those wicks. I want to see how we're going to react in and around our demand zone on gold. Okay. If I maybe start to see, okay, look at that, gold's coming down. If I maybe start to see some rejection from here, then maybe we catch that. Okay, but let's see. I'm not in on anything right now. I wanted to get in on a feeler for gold, but MetaTrader didn't let me. Um, I'm just watching right now. Okay. Okay, so gold's currently getting held at the 9 as well. Okay, so we're holding at the 9 right now. Let's see. If we happen to break this region and if we happen to maybe potentially start to get a rejection from our demand, I'm going to attempt to, if my broker lets me, to get in on another feeler. Okay, but so far, zero trades for Cram. Or in the next 3 minutes and 20, if we close below here, then we can start looking for the sells. Okay, guys? I'm waiting for the candles to close. Okay. There you go. Gold is starting to try. Come on. Give us the close, gold. Give us the close, and we'll hop right in. Okay, and gold, like I said, gold is one of those things today. It's either or. Okay, so I'd be comfortable getting in on the sells. I'd be comfortable getting in on the buys. Okay, it just let's see where that candle closes. There you go. Anyone in on a gold impulse? If you are, make sure it's only an impulse. Okay, 2.5 minutes to go. 2.5 minutes is a lot of time. Okay, guys, I'm gonna set up an order for gold. Okay, and I'm only gonna set up a bullish order as of right now. Give me a quick second. Small position because it's an order. You guys know the way I trade. It could go against me, which is why I wouldn't be risking it. Okay, small position. And if it doesn't want to go bullish, I won't get triggered. Simple. Okay, order set up and ready. Look at that. Anyone get in on this move? If you're looking for the continuation, you're looking to break that and potentially get the move back to the upside. Okay. Liquidity grab on Nasdaq, as you all can see. $1 billion dreams. Welcome, buddy. Hi. Okay, that's your impulse, potential impulse on Nasdaq right now. Let's see where they want to close, guys. These markets, they seem to be doing whatever they want to today. Okay. All right. If we're able to get this zonal fill, we're still potentially looking at a 20 pip move. Okay. Just letting you all know. Let's see. So we're still holding at R9. Okay. Sorry guys, you all know me. I'm not at all indicator heavy, so I don't like having the indicators in front of my chart. It's a distraction to me. Which is why I don't have them on all the time. Okay. I know a lot of traders like to see the EMAs and the RSI all the time, but I'm just not one of them. Okay. Okay, look at that. Nasdaq, just the impulse goes up and hits TP. Okay, let's see. This is a big ass candle. Where could we get a rejection to? We could maybe potentially get a rejection to somewhere in this region. Oh, wow. Look at that pop on Nasdaq. If we break that high, there you go. Anyone in on Nasdaq right now? Look at Nasdaq giving us that beautiful pop. Okay, now let's see if US 30 wants to break that. We could get a nice little push as well. Okay, so retest. Remember the trampoline effect. We've spoken about the trampoline multiple times. Let's see if the more we go down, the higher we can start to push. Okay, let's see. Looking good. Look at Nasdaq, man. How many of y'all are in on Nasdaq right now, guys? If we break that, you guys are gonna make some serious money. Okay. All right, and gold right back down. I'm in no trade so far. Okay, nothing got triggered. I'm watching. All right, maybe Nasdaq was the one that we should have been concentrating on today, but these markets are not in our control, right? Okay. All right, look at that. The sales are starting to kick in. Again, I'm gonna wait. I'm not hopping in right now because I am seeing some 5 minute support come in here. If anyone is in on these sells right now, your short term TP where you should liquidate your position is going to be this level of support. Okay. All right. Look at US 30 starting to push as well. I'm in on the dirty with a small position. Okay. Nothing too big, just $2 a pip. All right. And I'm just watching it. Okay. I don't like the way these markets are flicking right now. Gold is really starting to sell off. Okay. So if anyone's looking for the continued buys on NASDAQ, you're looking to now close above this region and have use the entry exit strategy here. Okay, that's what you'd be looking for. Let's see in the next 2.5 minutes, guys. Is anyone still holding Nasdaq, you guys? How many of y'all caught Nasdaq? I want to see it in the chat. Even if y'all are in on an impulse, that's 50 pips. 50 pips on the impulse. Ugh. Gold was looking good to me, but again, now it seems like we're going to probably distribute the same zone of accumulation and then maybe break. Okay, so what's the update on gold? If we break this low, we have a region that we're coming down to. If we happen to start to push back up, we have a region to enter in for the buys from as well. Okay, I got 10K profit in Nasdaq. That's crazy, bro. Good on you. Congratulations. I don't think anyone's giving you these sort of setups for free. You just made 10 grand with us. Okay, go on and post up about it on success stories. Let people know what you've done, and let people know that this is for real. Okay, go ahead and post up on success stories. I'd appreciate that. S. Praveen Kumar. Okay, where is gold going to? It is going to TP, or it is going to our 200. Okay, 42 seconds. Don't FOMO in right now. Let the candle close, and let's see if we want to get maybe a retest rejection of this move or not. Okay. All right. I'm in with just a feeler on gold right now. $1 a pip. $1 a pip. That's it. I'm going to try and be trigger finger to see if I can catch this move to the EMA. All I'm looking for, guys, is to come down to this region. Okay. All right. Retest. I'm in. Okay. I have to watch this really closely, guys. Give me a second. All right, so I'm in with two positions right now. I'm in with $1 and I'm in with $50 a pip. Okay, two positions. Where's my stop loss going to be? My stop loss is going to be above this line. So if it goes against me, that's where I'm going to get stopped out. For you guys, if we start to get rejected from here, that makes up for your entries. Remember that. Okay, Nasty still pushing. Look at that. Okay, now let's see how they want to react in and around here. Boom. There you go. Come on. Give us a drop. Drop and hit that. Goldie. Let's do it. All right. So US 30 is testing out our level of support again. Nasdaq's good, man. That's a meaty move on Nasdaq. I love it. Don't be buying the top though. Wait for price to have a little bit of a retracement and a potential push. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. Gold's starting to run. We're gonna hit TP, and I'm gonna pull my position out because we have the EMA sitting right over there. Okay. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful retest rejection. Is anyone in on this with me? Liquidate your goddamn positions because trust me, guys, I'll send you a screenshot of what I did. But take what you get and don't be greedy. I caught my 10 pips. All right. For the ones wondering, I caught my 10 pips. Yes, in and out W. Awesome, Kyle. I love hearing that, buddy. Okay, I closed my position, caught my 10 pips. Small freaking scalp, but we still do it here at Forex Trading every single day. I want to see W's in the chat. I want to know how many of you guys got that with me. Kept the Lambo out of gold today, though. Good stuff, buddy. WWW. Okay. I've noticed that you guys get more confident to enter trades when I'm in them with you. Um, Good on y'all, man. Good on y'all. I'm really happy for you guys. Okay, now let it do whatever it wants to. Let it do whatever it wants to. I don't care. I completely liquidated my bigger position. The ones that have been trading with me, all know what my bigger position is. And I just don't like propagating it on YouTube no more, especially with the kind of comments we get. It just, it I mean, I couldn't give a shit, but sadly I have to because I'm running a business over here. Okay. And yeah, like I said, I'll get back to Zoom once YouTube's off. But yeah, I caught my 10 pips in that move right there, as y'all can see. Sexy little drop from that break in, out, and I don't give a shit no more because I'm done for the day. Okay. I do still have my $5 and $1 position. That I'm gonna have a stop loss over here. It's small, so it really doesn't make too much of a difference, even if it goes against me. But I'm gonna have my stop loss in and around this region for my smaller position. So I technically still have $6 running in these markets. Okay. Did anyone? Did anyone from my army of millionaires, from the one-on-ones, you guys, please tell me at least one of y'all caught this rejection on the dirty. One of y'all, come on. I know a lot of you guys are here right now, but even if you caught this, you're still looking at a 20 pip move. Take your goddamn profits and walk away. Take your goddamn freaking profits. I mean it, and walk away. Okay, so my $6 a pip is still running. It's not gonna affect my account too much. I am just gonna switch it up to break even. All right, give me a quick second. Babe, are you on the stream? Huh? Are you on the stream? Okay, Cash is gonna send out my position to you guys so that y'all can see my 12 pips. All right, and yeah, I want to share my entry with y'all. Okay, this is only for Zoom. Um, okay, babe, if you don't mind, could you please share that with the group? Thank you. Cash is sharing it with you guys in a second. Yes, yes, Muhammad. That wouldn't be such a bad thing. Break, close, retest. But yeah, you could still be getting in on this. Okay, Cash just uploaded my position to you guys, as y'all can see. From this, well, I liquidated the whole thing, and I have $6 a pip that are still running. Okay, but I got my 12 pips on this move. 12 pips. I'm happy. I'm not complaining. I'm done for the day and more. Okay, there you go. Guys, even my $6 a pip are running right now and it's making me happy. I love it. I love it. How many of y'all are in on freaking gold with me? How many of y'all are banking? Take out partials here. Look at this. There's an impulse going on the dirty as well. Okay. If y'all are in on the dirty, please realize that buyers could step in here. Okay. Look at Goldie. Good freaking lord. My $6 are in from this region, just letting you guys know. All right, so it's running about close to 30 pips at this point. Okay, that's another 150, $180 for me. I'm happy. I'm extremely happy, okay? You don't see me complaining. I'm going to switch this up. I'm going to switch it up to break even right now. Give me a second. Okay, break even, stop loss. I'm good to go. Now, where am I going to liquidate this? I'm going to liquidate this somewhere in this region. So even if it hits my potential TP, I would have made $6 times $50. So times 50 pips. Okay. All right. Solid session. Solid session. I'm glad that I came on for New York today. We usually take Mondays off. But guys, to be honest, if there are going to be only as many people as there were today on the stream, I'm just going to continue to take Mondays off because I'm working throughout the day. No kidding. I do a lot of sessions in a day, and yeah, I sometimes being off is nice. Okay, but anyway, we'll see how that goes, and that could be a lesson for next week. And do we have any questions at all? Zoom, you guys. Okay, if there are any questions, type it out. I'm gonna end YouTube, and I'm gonna come back to you guys on Zoom, and I'll tell you guys what we can expect these markets to do post um um post stream. Okay, so I'm gonna be back Zoom and YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate y'all. Like I said, if you enjoyed what we do, this is absolutely free. We offer this as a free service. We have been offering it as a free service for the past 1 year. Just hop on to our Discord. Okay, the links in the description. Go and check it out. Join up and become a private member for absolutely free. Okay, go ahead and get that done. I appreciate you guys. I will see you all tomorrow for New York. We don't have London tomorrow, so YouTube, I'll catch you guys for New York. Take it easy. Have a good one. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out. Ciao.